So next, we're gonna pull the Haldex pump here. The plug for the Haldex pump runs across the top here and plugs into the 4motion unit here, whatever controller. There are 2 mounting bolts, I am told. Yeah, so it's 2 10mm hex bolts on the front side here. And we're gonna pull those off quick. Should be able to easily get to the plug. Starting to loosen some bolts on this pump. It's I think 10mm outside diameter hex, but inside is a T30 head as well. So I'm using the T30 for these bigger ones. Okay, and then the smaller of the two screw sizes is a T20. Those are the ones that don't have an outside hex. Hi, Mom.
I'm moving this.
I can't tell if the screw is loose all the way.
Where's she going? It looks like she going.
Am I? That's like the bushings of the pump. What am I looking at there? It's not the right thing. Like I might have just rammed the pump. I don't think it was supposed to come. I don't think I was supposed to pull those short screws. Here's the screen if you wanna. Those dowel things might not be captured in there, so be careful.
So once you're done wrestling the old pump off, remember, just this one and the one T30s on each end or whatever.
/10 millimeters.
/10 mils. Dan has opted to get racing line magnetic drain plug with a matching fill plug.
So it's a little magnet.
Yeah, I don't know, whatever. So he's gonna put his so drain the rest of your drain here, and we will fill up there.
Oh. That is aluminum, and it just feels like I'm gonna strip it.
Did I do 32 newton meters or foot-pounds?
Oh, God. Newton meters, I think. Anyway.
This is the fluid we're putting in. It's an alternate part to what everyone else lists on their website. We got this from ShopDAP, so we trust them, I think. My thumb's already tired, Dan.
Jesus.
Don't mind me. So what do? We gotta get this warm eventually or something?
Yeah, so you get it until it's dribbling. Actually, if you hold it, I can pump it from here.
That's what I was hoping you would do.
I just didn't get what you were.
Dan is servicing this at what, 23,000 miles?
26 and a half.
The interval is 40?
One of them's 30. Haldex might be 30 and the diffs might be 40.
Drive or something? Do you want to take this bottle so I don't knock it over? Before you put your fill plug back in the Haldex, you need to pull up VCDS or OBD11, find the, I'll go to the all-wheel drive module and then look at control module temp and clutch temp. We are going to start the car and idle it and drive until that temperature gets to 30, top off the fluid, and then plug the fluid. And that will complete your Haldex service.